big guy is coming, inshallah, Ranim, she's the tallest girl. We start very good concentration. We run the first break. We lead 9 points, and again Kenya more second shot.
Target here, we came this championship in order to win. We don't have any other option. All we want is to win in first place. We don't want to be second and go to the African Championship by wild card. All we want is to be the first and only the first. We have to win all the games. Alhamdulillah, we won today Kenya, and it was a very tough game. They were not that easy. We started from like 2 months ago. We started the camp, we started practice morning and evening. That was too nice to be here, and that was too nice for us. The only target we want is to be the first.